So a number of years ago, actually it was in late 1980s, we started working with a compound called ellagic acid in my laboratory. We found if we fed it to rodents, it would prevent cancer in the oral cavity, the esophagus, and the colon. And we asked the question, where is it found in the diet? We found that it was present in berries, and the highest concentration actually in black raspberries. And so we thought about the berries are about 80% water. What would happen if we'd freeze dry the berries under conditions where the compounds in berries are well preserved, and then grind that dried berry into a powder? We'd be concentrating all of the components that are cancer preventive, including ellagic acid, about 8 to 10-fold. And so we did that, and we prepared a powder and added it to the diet of rodents and found that, gee, it would protect against the development of cancer in the oral cavity, the esophagus, and in the colon, and that the berries worked by inhibiting the metabolism of carcinogens or stimulating their detoxification, by scavenging free radicals, and the most active components in berries that do that are the anthocyanins. And we also found that they inhibit the growth rate of pre-malignant cells, stimulate those cells to die, they're strongly anti-inflammatory, and they inhibit the invasion of malignant cells in tissues. And then we did studies in humans and found that berry powder was actually protective in different formulations on regressing pre-malignant lesions in the oral cavity, in the esophagus, and in the colon, and that they worked in humans pretty much like they do in animals. And the good thing about all of this is that the berry powder elicited very little toxicity, whereas many individual compounds, when provided in the diet, are quite toxic. We took this food-based approach to cancer prevention and decided to develop a business called Berry Stone here in Montana. We sell berry powder in 1-pound quantities, and we also sell a series of different jams and jellies made from berries. And so it's available on our website called Berry Stone. That's BERRISTONE. We'll have that up and running very shortly, and we're anxious to make this available to people. So we hope that this has been of interest to you, and if you'd like to have more information about it, please contact me. Thank you very much.